What's up, y'all? It's your girl KB, and I'm back with another tutorial. I know it's been a little minute, so we just gonna dive right into it because I know a lot of y'all probably found me on bandlab and stuff like that. So if y'all want to follow my bandlab or collab, this is my profile. But without further ado, let's get into it. So we're gonna do it kind of two types of beats. So you just want to click new project, and so you have the option of having a song template, but just for the sake of this video, we're just gonna like freehand it. Usually I do it on FL Studio or GarageBand, but for this video we're gonna do this. So you have the option of instrument, sampler, plug-in. You have the plug-in options, and you can use bandlab songs. So let's click on bandlab songs. Let's just see. So this time we're gonna do like a hip-hop beat, right? It's gonna be a good hip-hop beat. So let's see. Okay, I like this one. Ooh, let's do this one. Okay. So what you want to do is basically click and drag. Bandlab wants to use, yeah. Regions will be transposed. Okay, so let me make sure this still. Okay. Alright. So we have this sound, right? So let's listen to it. Okay, next let's just do like a bass, right? So you want to go here, go to brass 808s. Let's see what the 808 sound like. Oh wait. Okay, the 808s is not doing it for me. So let's go to the synth basses, right? Drive maybe? I don't know where GarageBand. Okay, solo. Let's do solo. Okay, and I just want to make clear too that you do see that the key is E flat minor, right? No, this key is D sharp minor. Oh, okay, same thing. Okay, so you just want to make sure that you playing in the right key. So D sharp is, let's see, A, B, C. Y'all see the C right there? D sharp, so it's P. It starts. Okay. This is almost where I want a little bit more drive, so we're going to put that driver right there. Yeah. cause this is that's how low it can go. I mean, I'm used to like lower, but for the sake of this video, we're just gonna do that. Okay. Right, and so we're just gonna loop that. All right. So now we can get into the hi-hats. So you can either use drum kit, drum pad. I think the drum pad is kind of, yeah. So we're gonna use this. Nah, see, it's not supposed to be like that, right? It's gotta be. I'm trying to make it double. Y'all know what I'm trying to do. But let's just zoom in. Yeah. Alright, it look like we just gonna have to put them in there. So what you wanna do is do it like that. If y'all know an easier way, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, basically that's what you want to do, right? And you want to do that, you know, a little bit. Then you want to copy, right? Paste. Paste. I gotta make this wider. Let's make it at least this wide. That way you have, you know, a lot to work with. So you want to take that. Please let me know if y'all know a quicker way. What did I just do? Copy, paste, paste, paste. Alright, so here y'all go right here. I mean, obviously you could add like triplets and all of that in there, but just for the sake of this video, we just gonna do it like that. Simple beats are the best beats, I'm trying to tell you. And then you want to add snare, of course. Let's do the drum kit this time. So you want to go to like hip hop. Let's make sure we alright, new plans. We about to work with this kit right here. kit, so you want to make sure this is all on the right timing. So, let's see. Let's see. Let's try the drum machine. That says create beats in seconds. Let's start from scratch. Okay. Alright, guys. Now. Okay. So over here is a pattern. You can have different patterns. So as you can see, I'm on A. Now I want this to be turned up a little bit louder. So what we're gonna do is put it on compression on here. Right. Output. And let's mess with the EQ. Cause it's a good sounding Y'all see how that sound? Alright, and then let's just add a little bit of reverb. Not too much. Y'all remember that one I saved? Is it this one? Kick destination. I'm trying to put it in here, y'all. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so it's like a switch up, basically. So we actually can put we actually can loop that. That's that beat right there. And obviously if you want to add like cymbal and let's see, trumpet, yeah, let's add some cymbal real quick. So that's basically, you know what I'm saying, let's just call this Drake. And you know, you can mix it up however you want it, but yeah, this is how to make a beat on bandlab. If y'all want to see more, please like and comment what type of video y'all want to see, and I will see y'all in the next one.